Let's walk through the workflow I've created in n8n. The idea is to make project document knowledge management smarter and easier. Instead of just uploading and storing files, this workflow processes them, creates embeddings, and enables a chat interface that not only answers questions but also provides supporting images. For example, imagine trying to read through a 120-page, 8 MB project document just to find one piece of information. This workflow solves that problem by making the process fast and effortless. The first workflow is all about document ingestion. A user uploads a Markdown file, specifies the Typesense collection name, and from there, the system prepares the content for search and retrieval. The second workflow powers the chat experience. It takes user questions, retrieves answers from Typesense, and uses Ollama to generate responses that are clear, relevant, and include helpful images. Let's see the first workflow in action. When a user uploads a Markdown file and provides a collection name, the system immediately begins chunking the content. These chunks are created intelligently so that references like Image 1 or Image 2 are kept whole and never split apart. Next, Ollama generates embeddings for each chunk, which are stored inside Typesense for fast semantic search. Gao, Sepday. Once the text is indexed, the workflow scans the folder for the referenced images and uploads them, one by one, to AWS S3 storage. This ensures that both text and images are connected and available for later retrieval. Now let's move on to the second workflow, the chat experience. Here, a user types a question, and the system first generates an embedding using Ollama. It then queries Typesense to pull out the most relevant document chunks. Those results are passed back into Ollama, which builds a summarized and easy-to-read answer. If the source content contains supporting images, the workflow automatically replaces the references with direct AWS S3 storage links. The result is a complete response, text plus images, that makes it easier for the user to understand the answer without needing to open the full document. Finally, let's look at how this appears to the end user inside the chat window. I'll type a few questions, including some with intentional grammar mistakes, to show that the system can still interpret the meaning correctly and return accurate results. Notice how the answers not only bring back the right text, but also include the image links for additional clarity. This removes the hassle of searching through long files or guessing where an image belongs. The workflow does it all automatically. What this really means is that anyone can interact with complex documentation in a natural way. Just ask a question, and the system delivers the right content, backed up with visuals, straight to the chat. So, to recap, the first workflow prepares and stores the data, while the second workflow makes that data come alive through conversation. Together, they provide a seamless experience that combines automation, semantic search, and AI into one powerful solution. Thank you for watching this video.